Welcome to another edition of the Ariba Customer Self-Service videos. This enablement is about how to create basic reports and how to visualize them. It is split into two parts. We are especially tackling how to create invoice exception reports. The goal of this is to quickly build a basic invoice exception report for accounts payable to get better visibility into the invoice reconciliation process. Usually the challenge is that reports are the last thing covered during deployments and that some of the teams are not familiar with the reporting options. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create an invoice exception report. In the second video, the part 2, we will cover how to use different visualization options with the same reporting data. So here we are in the accounts payable or invoicing tab, and I already do have some reports present. But unfortunately, there is no standard report which we can pull in order to get all the invoice exception types. What you have to do is you have to go over and create an analytical report. You can give it a title. When it comes to creating basic reports, we always have to choose a main fact table. In our case, it is invoice exceptions. I could combine this with a second and third fact, but we just want to keep it very simple and basic for this first video. Before I go over to my pivot layout, I also need to choose my measurement, and I'm going to add the invoice exception count to the report, as you can see on the right-hand side. Once everything's selected in step 1, I'm going to hit next and refine my data. What I want to do is I want to add the invoice exception type to my row fields, so I know exactly why invoices can't be reconciled automatically. And this is all you have to do. You go hit next, and you can either save the report from here, or you can already run the report and have a look if what we just combined is really working. And here you go, it is. And we do see all the invoice exception types and the reason why invoices couldn't be automatically reconciled. And this is a great tool to give accounts payable visibility in what's happening in the invoice reconciliation process, but also it gives you the possibility to work on adjusting the network rules and to work with your suppliers in order to even achieve more automation by reducing those invoice exception types. What you can do as well is you can visualize that in various ways. We're just going to stay with the very basic one. And then from here, you can add it to your dashboard. And it's really all it takes. You can now save the report either to your own personal workspace or also share it with your entire team. Once again, we were quickly able to build a basic invoice exception report, which gives accounts payable greater insight into the whole invoice reconciliation process. And the solution was rather quick and easy to build your own basic report from scratch. In the second part of the video, we're going to have a look at different visualization styles with the same report data.